Hello, this is Michael, and welcome to the Medlock Method Chinese podcast.
你好，我是邱老师。
And what are we doing in this podcast, 邱老师?
Today we're going to talk about 天气与脾气.
So, 天气 is weather.
Yeah, 天 is sky and 气 is air. 语 is a classical way to say ant. And 脾 is our spleen and 气 is air. So
We're going to vent our spleen. Turn down the volume.
发脾气 no. Today we are not gonna 发脾气. 脾气 is so Chinese people, we look at the air in your spleen and we find out that your
Your temperament and your disposition.
That's right.
And it's a bit more of an upper intermediate advanced lesson, this one, isn't it?
That's right. Okay.
But if you're intermediate, still just listen to it anyway. You'll get something from it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on. Here. 阳光 阳is the sun and 光 is
Shine.
or light.
Okay.
So it's a sunlight. And 阴霾 in is dark or cloudy. And 霾is before raining. You can see the rain on the top here. Okay. So 阴霾is just talking about someone who is sort of dark, tricky, not
Sly.
little sly, not easy to
Inscrutable. Is
that's
that the word you're
right.
looking for?
Yeah, that's right. Okay. And 闷
That's literally close when we're talking about weather. Close, humid.
that's right. You can see you put a heart inside the door, so you are not going out. You're close in the door, so you don't get to see people or having activities.
Okay.
So close. Right. How do we use this? Okay, let's look at the example. 他的个性很阳光，很活泼，开朗。
个性 is personality, character. Yeah.
That's right. 阳光
Bright.
That's right. 活泼
Active.
Yeah, and 开朗
Kai is open, so it's open personality.
Yeah. So his personality is bright, active, and open.
A sunny kind of person.
That's right. That's why we said 阳光. Okay, someone is 阳光，很阳光 means that someone is open and bright. Okay, and the opposite would be 阴 Yeah, 他的个性很阴，不说话
He's dark.
Yeah,
Is this evil dark?
could be, and could be quite dark. It could be. It's just difficult to
Don't know
tell.
what he's thinking. Maybe he's plotting something behind your back.
That's right. In Chinese we have yin yang, yin and yang. It also reflects here. Someone is dark. It just doesn't express himself. You're not sure whether he's plotting or he's genuinely quiet.
Okay.
But here, 不说话 means he doesn't talk. Okay, here it only means that he's quiet. And another word, 闷 close. Yeah, 他很闷 close. 不晓得他心里在想什么
What's he thinking in his heart? You think with your hearts in Chinese, don't you?
We do. 心里想什么 is what you're thinking.
So
Okay.
he's very close up. He's very tight. You don't know what he's thinking about.
That's right.
Is this positive or negative or neutral? It could be anything.
I think it's more negative. 闷 and in both are sort of more negative. But there's a difference between 闷 and in. 闷 itself only saying that he doesn't talk. He doesn't show his thinking or his plan as 闷. And in itself is more,
Sneaky.
yes,
Okay.
sort of darker. Okay, and another one is interesting. We say 闷烧. 闷 is close, 烧 is burn. So it's burning inside.
Okay, this is sort of like boiling away inside when you can't actually see it. So it's like you have, I don't know, maybe a pressure cooker?
It's like like pressure cooker.
You can just see that it's a cooker, but inside it's really hot and steamy and pressure.
Yeah. And it used to describe someone Men Shao, you describe him that he actually really wanted to show, but doesn't know how to, or just not open.
But you were telling me this is more to do with desire.
That's right, doesn't show someone's desire. Yeah, that's 闷烧. For example here, 他真闷烧，明明想表现，却不承认. Look, he's really just clothes burning inside. 明明, obviously, wanting 表现, perform, to perform, to be showy, to show it. 却不承认.
He won't admit it.
That's right. Okay. He really just wants to show that his desire, but or he wants to perform, or he wants to be showy, but
sounds like the sort of classic idea of a comedian. They're often very, very quiet, and then they get on the stage, and then you very loud and outgoing. But in normal life, they're sort of
闷烧. Could be that. I don't know. I don't know any of them. Okay. So next slide. Here, 冷热.
Cold, hot.
Usually, it's used to describe passion. 不冷不热, not cold, not hot.
Interesting enough, we would say hot or cold. You say cold or hot.
That's right. Okay, 不冷不热. It means without passion.
Flat.
Flat, yeah. For example, 他不冷不热地说你来了. He said that flat.
Without any enthusiasm. He said, oh, you're here.
When you're here. Right, see you again. Oh, no. 不冷不热. It's also used as 忽冷忽热.
This is suddenly, isn't it?
Suddenly cold, suddenly hot.
And this is sort of describing fickleness, changeability of attitude.
Yeah, towards someone, mainly to a person. 忽冷忽热.
So you can't say this about, sometimes I like oolong cha and sometimes I don't.
No.
It's about a person.
Mainly toward a person. 忽冷忽热. Toward a thing you're doing.
An activity, perhaps, as well.
Yeah, some kind of pursuing something, and your attitude could be 忽冷忽热.
So to something that you're doing, an activity, and towards a person as well.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, here the example is toward a person. 他对我忽冷忽热，有时候很热情，有时候很冷淡. So he towards me treats me 忽冷忽热. Sometimes 很热情，有时候很热情。热 is hot, 情 is emotion. So hot emotion means 热情 means passion. Sometimes 很冷淡，淡 means plain, to use to describe food. Okay, so sometimes it's just cold and plain.
This is useful for when you're complaining about your relationships.
忽冷忽热. Okay, 冷热. So talking about this hot and cold, so we need to talk about the changeable and not steady.
And these are more sayings and proverbs rather than something you can just stick in a sentence.
Yeah, especially the first one. Okay, here. 晴时多云，偶阵雨. Okay, when you want to describe someone's personality or someone's temperament, you can say that. Okay, 晴时多云. 晴 is sunny. Sometimes 时多云. Sometimes many clouds, so it means cloudy. 多云 means cloudy. Oh, sometimes 阵雨 shower.
Yeah, sunshine and showers?
Yeah. So sometimes it's just sunny, bright day, and sometimes it's just cloudy. So it's like yeah.
So this is describing a person's personality.
And sometimes it's shower, shouting at you, So we don't know. We don't know what's the situation. So someone is very changeable. Okay, 晴时多云，偶阵雨. Okay. Another one is 阴晴不定. Someone is 阴晴不定. 他阴晴不定 means in is a cloudy day. It's in like 阴阳 in yeah. It's cloudy day. 晴 is sunny day. So 阴晴不定 不定 is not certain. Cannot decide whether he is gonna be in or 晴.
So again, both of these sayings, and I want to emphasize they're sayings, they're not something you can just stick in a sentence.
Yeah, you can say that. 阴晴
More
不
or
定.
less,
Yeah,
more
more
or
or
less,
less. Yeah, you actually can say 它阴晴不定.
And they both mean changeable.
Changeable, not certain. Sometimes it's bright, sometimes it's dark and cold, and yeah. Okay.
Awkward person.
We are all awkward, aren't we?
Yes, you are.
Thank you very much. Okay. And next one. 春风满面. 春
Spring.
Spring. 风
Wind.
满面.
Full of face.
That's right. Okay. 春风满面.
And it means
someone is very happy and
the sunny disposition.
that's right. 他春风满面，一定有什么喜事。So he looks happy. He looks like a spring.
He looks all very sunny.
Yeah.
Eating
Must be.
must be some good news.
Yeah, good news. 喜事. Something good. 喜事. For example, he got a girlfriend. He's
He
going
lost his girlfriend.
Oh, he's going to get married. Sorry, lost a girlfriend usually would not say
Oh, right, okay.
not qualified for 喜事. Oh, he got promoted. He got a new job. You know, all this are 喜事. Okay, so he looks that he's having some kind of a good news there. Okay, 春风满面. And 春风 can be used to describe someone as very nice to you and that you feel that you are in the spring wind. Okay, for example, 如沐春风. 如 is like. 沐 is shower. So it's like having a shower in 春风, in the spring wind.
It's interesting how different cultures think of weather as being nice or not. I don't particularly want a shower in my face.
But it's a wind though. It's a spring wind. You know, spring usually it's full of life and full of spring people.
Spring.
Spring, exactly. Spring people spring. So it's the kind of imagine the image
Yeah,
there.
imagery.
Yeah. Okay, and here, 他人很好，让我们觉得如沐春风. He's so nice, nice personality, a nice person. 让我们觉得 let us feel 觉得 feel 如沐春风 like having a shower in the wind, in the spring wind.
You use this for sucking up to people, don't you?
Yes. So usually we use this to describe someone
A
like
leader.
a leader or your teacher like me. Okay.
So we're going to suck up to you. This is what we say.
Yeah, 邱老师很好，让我们觉得如沐春风. Yeah.
Absolutely. Toady words.
So this is one of the words you must learn. 如沐春风. Write to me and tell me that. 如沐春风. Okay. Next one. 云消雾散.
This is not necessarily connected with personality, is it?
Technically, no. But I love to put it here. Sorry for that.
It's
Okay.
the weather. Yeah.
Okay. 云消, yun is cloud. Okay, 消 disappear. 雾 fog. And 散. Some people say 散, some people say 散. Either way is fine. It means disperse. 云消雾散. So it means
Things blow over.
that's right. Okay, here. 他们之间的误会很快就云消雾散。误会 misunderstanding between them 他们之间很快就云消雾散了。
So they're misunderstanding, yes?
The misunderstanding between them very soon disappear.
Okay, so the misunderstanding blew over quite quickly.
That's right. Okay, next sentence. 别担心，这个谣言很快就云消雾散。So don't worry，别担心，这个谣言 rumor
Rumor.
很快就云消雾散。Very soon will disappear，云消雾散。
So something that you might say to your local politician.
Yeah，云消雾散。
Can I use 云霄雾散 to describe a problem with my computer or something like that, which will soon disappear, or an economic problem, perhaps?
No, because for Chinese people, problems need to be solved. And 云霄雾散 it means automatically disappear.
Ah, right. They do it by themselves. So
That's right.
问题 cannot just disappear. It
That's
has
right.
to be fixed.
That's right. Okay, so you cannot say 问题云霄雾散. No. Okay. Right. Next one. Technically, again, this is not for personality or for temperament.
But it's your lesson. You're going to put it in anyway. Okay.
That's right. 不成气候. 成 is to form, like succeed. Okay, does not succeed. 气候. 气候means climate. So it means does not form a climate.
And this really means it doesn't happen in the way that you desired.
That's right. You have all sorts of plans, but it cannot succeed because there are factors, many factors together. Do not all the factors are mature enough to make it a weather,
Okay.
or climate.
Mhm.
Okay, it means that usually it means the whole situation wasn't mature enough. For example, 他失败了，因为勉强的关系，所以不成气候。他失败了，失败 fail， 失败了 failed， 因为勉强的关系，勉强 you look it up, it probably tell you it's reluctance or reluctant. But 勉强 also has a connotation, means that
Before its time, it wasn't
That's
quite
right.
ready yet. It
That's right.
half baked, went off half cocked or something
That's
like that. It
right.
just wasn't ready. The
That's
timing
right.
was not right.
That's right. That's 勉强. 勉强 means that not ready and you do it. That's 勉强. So because of 勉强，所以不成气候. That's why it doesn't form the climate.
Okay, he felt that it didn't work because all the things weren't in place,
That's right.
and so the right climate couldn't be formed.
That's right. Okay. 不成气候. Another example. 它的影响力还不成气候，所以不会造成威胁。它的影响力 is influence. Okay. 力 is power of influence. Okay. 还不成气候 it's not quite, does not form quite completely. Okay. 所以 therefore 不成不会 therefore cannot, will not 造成 is to cause or to lead to 造成威胁 is a threat. So will not cause a threat.
Okay, so what you're basically saying here in this situation is don't worry about him. He hasn't got enough influence
That's right.
to threaten whatever our plans to
That's right. Yeah.
take over a company or
Yeah, exactly.
steal money. I don't know.
Yep. Okay, so this is the end of our podcast today. Okay, so
And as usual, if you would like to know more about the Medlock Method, go to medlock-method.com.
okay, so I see you soon.
Time for us to say
再见. Have fun.